The ruling party, APC 2023 flag bearer, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, was ushered into Lagos in a rousing welcome at the airport in Lagos recently. Let's bring you the sight and sound of the various activities that followed his arrival in the nation's commercial capital.
Party escorts, state escort members.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the arrival of the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, our father, our leader. Ladies and gentlemen, the Oba of Lagos. Atiwayo Jole Diba, Atiwa Oba, Iba Babao, Iba Ilim, Iba Lebu, Iba Sebu. Ìbá ló ń dàgbọ́, ìbá ló ń dàgbọ́ gbèsè, ìbá ló ń dàgbọ́ lọ́jọ́ nígbàgbọ́, ìbá bàbá wa ọba Adéyínká Oyèkán tó fi adé aṣáájú lórí ìgbẹ́ báyìí nínú káwọn ní máa jẹ́ ìmọ̀rẹ́ o. Ìbá ọba wa ọba nìyí wà lóṣù ládé àrẹ káni kó gbọ́ lórí kí bàtà kó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀.
Ọba nínú wà lóṣù ládé àrẹ ọmọ kúkéré àṣàlógún. I can confirm that you have a lot of vision. And God Almighty Allah, who has used President Buhari, Shetima, Ganduje, and all of them to this thing, you will finish it 100%, and all will be well with you. All the youth in this country, they will get useful employment, and all will be well with all of us. We are equal in the eyes of God. We are not equal in the love of God. All our friends from the north, we all return home safely. You see our governor and his deputy. God Almighty Allah will be with them. I always go to them with office and tell them, work hard, and God Almighty Allah will have mercy on you. My name is really one you know alone. All will be well with you. Everything will work in your favor. Your children, South, Ali Oshimole, my good friend. You know, I locked him 2 times at Abuja, but we are friends today. You will have long life, and all will be well with you.
We thank God for Lagos. And I thank God for Almighty and Cabinet for the process of decision that brought two of you to this. I say thank you. Thank you very much for the hard work and loyalty. For the deputy governor, is happy to be back home, and today is Father's Day. The son of the soil is back home. Bàbá, ẹ pẹ́, Ọlọ́run ní gbà wá lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ pẹ́ fún wa, gbogbo àdúrà tẹ́ ń ṣe ló ń gbà yìí lójú yín. Bàbá, I am still fit. And God bless you. The prayer you said they are in London, the warning you gave me, I've not violated. I remain true son, like a father. Some people who are very, very, very good, they were not introduced while we were here. They were of great help. Very, very committed, reliable, honest, dependable, and happy. One of them is Yao Daraso, is there. The personal assistant to the president. Yao Daraso, that's it. Ibrahim Masari is somewhere wearing my cap. When Senator Yayi, the speaker, you've seen them all. I thank you for your tolerance, your endurance, your patience, and God will bless all your children. They are mine. You will be proud of them. There will be no sorrow in your house and in your heart. God bless you.